To create a program, we right-click the task wherein we would like to create the program, and then we select Add and New Program. In the New Program window, we provide a name for the new program. In this project, we eventually need logic to control 2 packaging lines with 2 conveyors each, as well as a supervisory level program to manage the operation of the 2 packaging lines. This program will be that supervisory level program, so we will name it Packaging. Now we can enter a description for the program. If we wanted to show this program as a subordinate to another program in the logical organizer, then in the Parent drop-down, we would select the desired program. However, since this is the supervisory program, it will not have a parent program. Note that the logical organizer is simply a graphical way for us to show program subordination to others who may need to work with our project, such as maintenance personnel. Showing subordination in the logical organizer has no effect whatsoever on the way that our logic runs, and it will change nothing in the controller organizer. Now we can verify that the Schedule In drop-down is set to the correct task. This is configured based upon which task we right-clicked to add the program. Now we click the OK button and the program is created. Notice that the new program contains no routines. So we can go ahead and create the main routine now. Also, since our other program controls packaging line 1, let's rename it to reflect that operation. So we can simply call it line_01.